The BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro 2.8 release is focused on improvements to our export features that are possible because of the connection to BIMrx Core. So the integration of BIMrx Core 3.1 and BIMrx Cloud Manager 2.8 allows for export of PDF, DWG, and NWC files from multiple cloud Revit models on demand or on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. In case you're new to BIMrx Cloud Manager, let's review what it is. BIMrx Cloud Manager is a standalone desktop application that was purpose-built to accelerate project setup, member management, and automate data management tasks for both BIM 360 and Autodesk Construction Cloud projects. Now let's talk about the improvements in BIMrx Cloud Manager 2.8. We made a highly requested improvement to our export PDF feature. Now you can use a filter to control which sheets are printed from each model across multiple projects, all in the same export job. Based on your print set naming, we're giving you the control to print just the PDFs you want from each model. We also added a brand new feature, Export DWG. Now you can export 3D and 2D views or sheets to AutoCAD DWG format. You can filter which DWG Export Setup is used for each model in the Export DWG job based on the name of the setup. Just like PDF export, you can use print sets to control which views and sheets are exported to DWG. Let's take a look at the new Export PDF Print Set filter in action. I've created an Export PDF job, and we can find the Print Set filter in the PDF export settings. A Revit Print Set filter now enables control over which print sets are exported across multiple models and projects at the same time. If a print set name contains what I put in the filter here, it will be included in the export job. Next, I select the printer, Bluebeam if you have it, or a free PDF printer option is also provided. I can choose if the PDFs are printed as individual sheets or if they should be combined into one file per print set. Next, I'll set the export destination and then select the Revit version year and then save the settings. Now I will schedule the job and I'm going to have it run Monday, Wednesday, and Friday each week at 4:28 a.m. Finally, I'm going to use the static method to select the models I want to include in this export job. I add the project and then I select a model in this project, and then I'm going to add another project and select a model from that project. I will then save and then I will deploy the job. I can deploy it to a network server if my computer will be off at the scheduled time, or I can run it on demand from my computer. BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro 2.8 continues to add automation capabilities, including exporting 3D and 2D views and sheets to AutoCAD DWG from Revit Cloud Models on demand or on a schedule. Here I've created an Export DWG job. Let's look at the settings available when exporting Revit to DWG. We understand that each model might require different DWG export settings, so we've provided a contains filter that can be used to select different DWG export setups across multiple models with a common naming convention. Simply enter in the filter a common part of the setup name and the job will use the matching DWG setups. Next, there is control over which views and sheets are included in DWG export job by filtering the Revit Print Sets. Same as the PDF job, we will complete the setup by selecting the export destination and the Revit version year. And I'll hit save. Now I'm going to use the static method to select models I want to include in this export PDF job. I add the project and then I select a model, and then I'm going to add another project and I will select from a model from that project. Finally, I'm going to schedule the job and it's going to run every weekday at 4 a.m. I then save this job and I'll deploy it, and I can deploy it to a network server if I want, if my computer is going to be off at the scheduled time, or I can run it on demand from my computer. And there you go. That's how we set up an Export DWG job in BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro 2.8. BIMrx Cloud Manager is full of features that accelerate project setup, member management, and automate project tasks. If you'd like to request a feature improvement or a new feature, please visit our feature request page on our website at microdesk.com/BIMrx-feature-request. Learn more about BIMrx at bimarx.com.